Students, today we are here with a new topic, prime numbers and composite numbers. So let's start. What is a prime number? A prime number is a whole number which can only be divided by itself and 1. A prime number must be exactly have two factors. Means if you are having one example like 5. So 5 has only two factors, 1 and number itself, means 1 and 5. So get ready for one example also. 13 is a prime number because it has exactly two factors, 1 and 13, because we are saying that 1 is to 13 is equal to 13. Now what are composite numbers? Any whole number with more than two factors is called composite number. Means if you have any number like we have 6, so we have more than two factors for 6. So that's why 6 is called as composite number. So like this we have 6, 8, 12, 21, 30 are the examples. So one more example is here, 12. 12 is a composite number because it has more than two factors, like 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, means more than two factors. That means 12 is a composite number. Next we have twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are those numbers which has a difference of only two numbers and in between there will be one composite number. Like we have an example 29 and 31. Both are twin prime numbers, but when we will do the difference, that is also 2. And if we will see, the number between 29 and 31 is 30. So 30 is a composite number. Is it clear? So we have a list of twin prime numbers, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31, 41 and 43, 59 and 61, 71 and 73. These are some examples of twin prime numbers. So next we have co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have only one as their common factor are called co-prime numbers, like 5 and 9. So when we will find out the factors, so only one is the common factor between these two. So like 6 and 7 is also the example of co-prime numbers. Next we have remember facts. There are few facts in this chapter you have to keep in mind always. So first one is 1 is a unique number because it has only one factor. Number 2, 2 is the smallest prime number. Number 3, 2 is the only even prime number. And number 4 is co-prime numbers can be prime, composite or consecutive numbers. So you know that what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, and now there is one new term, that is consecutive. So consecutive numbers are those numbers which can come continuously. There will be no gap, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all are consecutive numbers because there is no any gap between them. Is it clear? So these are our points. So you just keep in mind all the things. These are the basic terms to find out the multiples and factors. So do practice. Stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.